daily log app and a construction photo app. So first I'll show you the construction daily log app. It's something that I think can easily save you about 60 minutes per day, right? Let's face it, nobody likes doing documentation, right? And it just management wants it, and you have to deliver it. So the question is how to do it quickly and easily, right? That's what construction daily log is all about. You just take out your phone, and it makes it really easy for you to create a daily report from anywhere, anytime. It literally takes just a few minutes. So let me take you through this. So I go, here's a report that I put together, and it's literally, you see the 4 dots at the bottom? There's 4 easy scrolls. You just answer what makes sense. So for example, any scheduled delays? Yep. Were there any visitors, any delays caused by weather? Just check off what makes sense. It captures weather automatically. Then we go on to the next screen, and it just got some sections. You fill out the sections that make sense to you. You leave the other ones blank, right? So for example, let's say we had a delay today. So I can tap into that field and say, today we had a delay due to equipment being late. Okay, that's it. And I can, if I want to, optionally add some photos. Maybe show equipment that was broken for whatever reason, right? Take a picture of that, and now the picture is going to go with my comment. So everything is together in one place. Now let me show you something pretty neat. All right, let's say I have my gloves on and I really don't want to type. Okay, so I'm going to go in here and clear my comment. And this time, instead of typing, I'm just going to click into the field, and then you see the little microphone at the bottom of the keyboard. This is what's called voice to text. So I can speak and it will put my words right into the field. So watch this. Today we had a delay due to equipment being late. Okay, that's it. Click done, and picked up that that's it. And I've got my comments. So you just go through, put in any kind of thing that you want to do in a daily report, type it, add photos, add documents, right? And scroll to the right. You can additionally add like work logs. So we'll do some calculations for things like hourly rates, rental equipment, etc. Right? And that's it. And you just hit save and send. And basically the app is going to get submitted. So you go back, and once the app is submitted, all of your all of your files are conveniently located in one location under the PDF files. So I can go back to my daily report anytime, open it. It's a nice looking professional PDF file, that's got project name, today's date, captures weather, here's the location, my logo for the project, and then basically whatever information I entered, I clicked in, is there, and that's it. That's all it took to create a daily report. It took me, 5 minutes? Now, watch this. I can easily share this with anybody now. So I've got this report. I can click share, and I've got all these options. I can print it if I still want to go back to paper. I can store it on my cloud drives, to Dropbox or iCloud. I can email it, right? Or I can text it. So, let's say I want to take this report, I want to text it now. Okay. And I'm going to text it to myself. Okay. Hit send. All right. And now what it's doing is it's taking this PDF. Don't call me. And I literally have, if I switch into my messaging, I have this report, which I'll show you. Right in my messaging app. There it is, right? It's attached to my messaging app. So very easily, I could also, email this report. So I've got this report open. I click share, click email. Okay, go ahead and email this report. Done. Now I have this email report. The report is a PDF attachment. And by the way, you can get to these reports from your app, or you can log into snappii.com on the website and get these reports. So you can sort them there, do whatever you need to do, download them. The idea is you can always get to your daily reports. Fast, easy. The app supports multiple projects. So right now I'm in Ossipee Municipal Project. If I say during the day, okay, want to switch to another project, I can do that. And the other thing I want to point out to you is that it's keeping the everything in place, right? As far as being able to have my photos that I took, my PDF files, and the logs. Everything is available in one place. So pretty easy. All right, let me pause and take a question, and then I'll show you the construction photo app. Yep, you can absolutely take a picture in the app. So the question was, can I take a picture? Absolutely. So here you go. I'm going through and doing a daily log. And not only can you take a picture, but you can take a picture that's relevant to a specific section. So let's say we had a safety observation, right? We had a safety issue, right? So this, looks, am I typing? Looks like OSHA violation. Right? And I just do add. I take a picture. Okay. And there you go. Okay. This picture is going to show up in that section in that report. All right. So let me pop into the next step I want to show you. And that's the Construction Photos app. Okay. So the idea behind the photo app is to let you quickly take pictures, organize them by whatever project that you're currently on, Okay, and I can, add as many projects as you want. Here I have 2 projects. I have Durham and Rochester municipal projects. I can switch into, any of these projects. And when I switch into these projects, I see a list of photos that are part of that project. I also see a list of users who I invited. So the idea is I take a picture, I can mark it up, put, comments on it, point out what's wrong, and then immediately share these pics with my co-workers, right? And these are my co-workers. I can add new user anytime, and when the minute I share my pictures, these people will automatically receive the picture so they can see it instantly as I take it, right? Very quick and very easy. So let's say I am going to switch to the Durham project, okay? And, it's going to pull the pictures together for the Durham project, right? And these are the users that I have in the project right now. So, okay, so I'm just going to go to that current project. So you can see in this current project, I've got a few photos that are already shared with people. And you can see that they are, marked up because, I've found some problems in what was done, put some arrows in place, put, like for example here, okay, we have a possible safety issue, took a picture, highlighted it, and put some comments in there, right? And so these are the pictures that are for the Durham report. So, let's say I want to go ahead and snap another picture, okay? Or I'm going to add that picture. So this time, instead of taking a photo, let's say I already took a picture. I'm going to choose that picture from the library, right? And we're just going to go pick this picture. And you can see, we're installing a board here, and we're just going to say, put a comment there. Is this the right board? Okay, done. Now I can optionally draw on it. So let's say I wanted to point something out. So I'm going to say, click on that picture, say draw. Okay, and over here is my handy dandy palette with all kinds of things. So say I want to grab an arrow, and I'm going to draw an arrow and say, and then I'm going to click and add a comment and say, is this where you want it? All right, save. I'm going to hit save here, and I'm going to save that to my project file. Okay, and so now I've added this picture, successfully added. And by the way, everybody that's using this app in this project is getting a notification. So they're going to get a notification that says, hey, there's a new pic. You need to take a look at it. Okay, so that's basically the idea. If I want to now share it, I go click share. I type in email address. And I can do more than one, just need to separate them by commas. Oh, I didn't type it in quite correctly. Snappii. Okay. And then I can go and select which pictures I want to share. Let's say, this one, or deselect, more to the point. Hit send. Okay. Okay. I didn't pay my subscription. Okay. You get the point. And there it is. Basically, I just shared that with others on the project. So really, really quick, easy, and you can download these apps today in iTunes, right? Just type in construction photo for this app and construction daily log into the search field right here. When you go into the App Store, go into the App Store and you can type into right here into search. Okay, and why Apple App Store is slow today. Not sure, but anyway, you would type in the. Okay, here we go. It's started responding. So you can type in construction photo. Okay. Oh, actually, I want to do an app. Photo. Okay. We also have construction plans. You'll see a lot of Snappii construction apps in here, right? Or download construction daily log, right? Which is basically this app right here. So feel free to download, play with them. We give you a 15-day trial, or more specifically, you can do up to 15 reports. And then it will cost you a whopping 60 cents per day to save yourself 60 minutes per day of paperwork, right? Of doing construction daily logs manually, which nobody wants to do. So I promise to keep it short, and we're going to keep it short. If you have other questions, let me know, and I'll be glad to stick around and answer them for you. Okay, one question is, can you do multiple projects with construction daily log? You bet. You just switch to that app. You would just go back. Okay, so I'm not going to save the changes. So you can just click on change project and add a new project, right? So very easy to do. Okay, there's a question on, can it said in there that you can use your own form. So let me show you that. So the question is, if I have my own construction data log form, can I use it? Yep, you can do a daily report, click on use my form, and it gives you instructions. So we can replace our form with your form. Okay, just fill this in, and somebody from the Snappii side will get back to you. Okay, excellent. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please email us at sales@snappii.com or support@snappii.com. Have a great one.